Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to create a new Gmail account using your Android device. Whether you're setting up an account for personal use or for business, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, simply download it from the Play Store. Once you have the app open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to select Add Another Account. This will take you to the account setup options. Now, choose Google from the list. This is where the fun begins. Next, tap on Create Account. You'll see two options, one for personal use and the other for business. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Now it's time to enter your details. Start by typing in your first name, followed by your last name. When you're done, just tap Next at the bottom right of your screen. From here, you'll need to complete a few more pieces of information, like your desired email address and password. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Gmail account on your Android device. Easy, right? Now you can start exploring all the great features that Gmail has to offer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.